Hi guys, this is Manish from Solver for You. Today I talk about workplace conflicts, means office problem. How you tackle those problem. Today I'll tell you. So guys, let's begin. Guys, so first answer. Interdependence upon other. Many times you are working in different companies, in different places. So what do you feel that there are some workplace issues are going over there, like interdependence upon others. You are like depend upon your colleague, your team member due to some work. So how can you track it, or how can you solve this problem? You need to sort out this problem. So I'll tell you what you need to do. First of all, you need to manage your work as well as your time. You need to start with your work. You need to distribute the work with your colleagues. If you are a team lead, then distribute according to the team member performance. If you are a team member, you need to know your team member strength and weakness. The person who are comfortable or more have good strength on that particular work, you just assign over that work only, not the other works. So just be careful upon this thing. And second thing, not be interdependent completely over other. It means not 100% you should interdependent upon other. Like you should interdependent 30%, 40% or partially upon other. Because sometimes what happen, like suppose you are an accountant, right, and you are dealing with some numbers or figures or facts, and you are waiting for some other guy to give that fact or figures or numbers, but he or she will provide you late, maybe 2 hours late or 3 hours late. So due to that thing, your work is also hampered, or you will share that fact and figures late to your manager. So never 100% dependent upon other. If you become 100% dependent, it will cause a problem for you as well as your team as well as your company. So always be careful about this workplace issue, because these are some workplace conflicts which are going in each and every company, even a small or a large. So just be careful. And now we begin our second issue. Second problem is leadership conflicts. These type of conflicts are basically belongs to leaders or team lead. Team lead are a person who has full and fledged responsibility to their team members. Maybe they are 4 or 5 in numbers, or maybe they are large on that. You just need to be careful. All the team leads which are working currently, or maybe in future they will join somewhere as a team lead, just be careful. If you are facing this problem of leadership conflicting, because there are many team lead in a company and everyone has different nature. Maybe they have their own style or work style, you can say. You just need to cope up that work style. You just need to gel with that work style of different team leads as well as the team members. If you are listening me, just try. If you are, maybe your team will be switched during your work, you just need to try to mix with your new team lead, because guys, every team lead has different or varies type of personality. They have their own style, they have their own work culture. They don't want to interfere someone to their work culture or their work comfort. So all the team members or all the employees of all the companies which are listening me right now, please keep this thing in mind, that if anything happen in future, just be careful and try to indulge with your team lead. And if you literally feel some problem with any team member or any team lead, if you are facing this type of leadership conflict, try to comment to me. I'll provide you some other solution, maybe better than this, or just check with your team member or other team lead which is related to your problem. Maybe that will be a solution of your problem. So I hope I solved your this issue. So guys, the most important conflict, work style conflict. That type of conflict is going around with everyone. Work style means your way of working, how you work, how you perform your task. This is known as work culture, work style. And how you will perform that work, that will create some issues, that will create an issue sometimes. You just need to be aware about this conflict, guys. And this conflict will happen with each and every guy who are currently working or who will be working in future. See, I'll give you an example. If I am working in some company, suppose XYZ company, right? I have my own style. I am an introvert guy, suppose. Fine. So I don't like to mix with everyone. I'll just visit my office. I'll just go to my office, just open my system, just get my work and just perform my work and come to my home. That's my routine, normal routine. But if my colleague or my team member or maybe my team lead or manager have extrovert nature, or they are very friendly, but I am not very friendly, I am an introvert guy, I am not like to gel with anyone, even with my manager, that will create an issue sometimes. Because they are friendly, they try to allocate work, because like they are my managers, they try to allocate work with each and every team member. Others are friendly, other members are friendly, they are easy to cope up, they are easy to gel with each and every member, maybe some other teams as well. But in my case, because I am an introvert guy, I am like facing trouble to mix with others, to mix in different groups. That will create an issue, guys. That will create this type of issue, work style conflicts, because I am not like to mix on their work style. So I hope you understand this point. So guys, if you like my today's video, please like, share and subscribe Solver for you. And for more these type of videos, please press the bell icon button. And for my last videos, please go on I button. And thank you so much.